How to install your atrium cover. First, we're going to center the cover on the window well. We want to make sure there's equal spacing on both sides. But before we use our Tapcon or our wood screw to fasten the cover to the home, we need to create a shim, a little bit of a gap, okay? This gap is going to be underneath the cover, right up against the home, where it butts up against the home. And usually that gap needs to be about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. So take a look at your dual lock fastener. That's going to be roughly 1/8 of an inch. You can use that as your shim. Once you've shimmed it up, we've given a little bit of space. And what that's going to do, that's going to allow you to open and close your cover easily. If we don't add the shim or the spacing, the cover won't open and close. Okay, now that you have that in place, let's go back and let's find our pre-drilled holes where we're going to attach the cover to the foundation. Again, let's recognize, is this going to be using Tapcons going into concrete, or are we going to be going into wood, therefore using the wood screws? Good. If we're going in with Tapcons, remember, we need to use our 6-inch long bit, and we need to hollow out the holes. So find your pre-drilled holes on the spine of the cover. Okay? We're going to then use the drill bit. We're going to hollow those holes out. We're going to grab our Tapcons. We're going to put in the drill driver bit, and we're going to drive those Tapcons into the concrete. Now we've secured our cover. If we're going into wood, there's no need to pre-drill the holes. We want those wood screws to grab. We want them to bite. So we want to go right into those pre-drill holes in the atrium to secure it to the foundation. Make sense? Now we have it secured to the foundation. We can go ahead and pull out our shims. And the third step to installing the atrium cover is optional. Some people like to put the dual lock fasteners on the front 2 corners, and others don't. This cover isn't going anywhere in high winds. You've now installed your atrium window well cover.